Oh, look, there's a mouse right there.
Look.
Right there. It's dead.
Okay. Yeah.
There, blowing smoke. It's great.
Okay.
Oh, Lord in heaven. There's the mouse. No way. Oh, good thing I had my tools over on the side, huh? They almost went right in my bag. There he is. It's Mickey. Is there Minnie? Holy hell. Alright, who's gonna clean it up? I gotta go. Here's the carb off of that other Volkswagen. Did I mention I have to take that off with one hand? It was no easy task. Anyways, we're gonna pull it apart and see what's in here. Yummy. That is some nasty. Well, it turns out this is the Holly carb. That's cool. Couldn't find any other name on here anywhere, so it's a Holly. Ultrasonic cleaner, man. You clean your goddamn jewelry in here. Or, I don't have any jewelry, so I clean my carbs in it. Here we go, guys. Take a look inside that carb now. Pretty damn clean, huh? Not bad.